Special though.
Could you describe maybe of some kind of a family celebration that would be kind of a, I don't know if could be a wedding, it could be a funeral, it could be whatever, kind of a typical celebration?
Yeah, well, wedding, for example. How would I describe it? Church weddings didn't really happen. As far as all the weddings I've been to in Slovakia, I didn't go to church wedding. Well, that's probably because the way it was. The registry office, out to the wedding, same. You have your white clothes and you have to have red clothes at the middle of the night. The bride has to change to red clothes, and she'll be dancing for another while, and they don't go on honeymoon until next morning. So that's the only difference probably. In this traditional folk, polka, and this kind of clarinet, or how do you call them, those breathing instruments?
Clarinet?
Yeah,
Exactly.
and tube, or
saxophones?
Yeah, and
trumpets, tubas?
Trumpets, that's it, yeah. Yeah, that would be there. Loads of button accordions for harmonicas.
Yeah.
Traditional folk, and that would be the wedding, just going on for about a day. Not like Irish weddings, they can go on forever. Yeah.
So would there have been a lot of dancing at the weddings?
Loads of dancing, loads of drinking, loads of food, yeah.
What could you tell me about the food? What kind of food?
What would you have? We would have, the traditional food would be, it's kind of a beef, and it's kind of a white cabbage cooked, okay? And you get your dumplings with it, and you get your dumplings, your white cabbage, and your beef. It's kind of diced beef, and the cabbage is little, not sour, how would I say it? It's just has a distinctive taste. It's sweet and sour, more kind of weird taste out of it, yeah. I don't know what to compare it to in here. White cabbage, like from coleslaw sometimes, it's something like that. That's the traditional food. Then you would have your pork chop kind of thing, with potatoes and vegetables of the day, whatever it is. And the most traditional food, which is not served at the weddings, would be, again, special cheese with special bacon and homemade dumplings. You can't get that cheese anywhere else. It's called brinza. And you just do your dumplings in the water and put that over with your bacon. And you drink kind of sour milk with it, which is made in the mountains by all the shepherds, and they're supposed to be very strong from it. It's kind of sour milk as well, yeah, or more like natural yogurt or something. Yeah, so that's the traditional food, totally different. Bread, brown and white bread, and that's it, and the rolls. Yeah, little bit, similar, but not the same. Desserts are lovely. Desserts, there's a poppy seed cake is my favorite, and we eat that for Christmas as well. Poppy seed kind of dumplings again, I would call them, or something sweet kind of dumplings with poppy seed. Beautiful. Yeah, that's the food in Bulgaria. Eat fish for Christmas then. We don't eat meat. We celebrate on Christmas Eve. Can't eat meat, so we eat fish, and then you with your potato or potato salad, whatever you prefer. And the big day is then when we can eat, is the 25th and 6th. As everywhere else, we just stuff ourselves and go visit families. Yeah, that's the Slovakian way of putting it.